beautiful. Look at the back.
It's not beautiful.
Yes, it is in the back.
It's blinding.
Do you want me to bring it to you? No, just set it down on the wheels over here. Go ahead, set it down.
Oh, shit. This guy's fucking dumb. He's in there begging us for money. He's in there begging us for money for the Xbox. Good luck. We ain't got none. Yeah, there's free games on the Xbox. That's cool. Can I do that?
No, I got it, baby.
That sounded like the punch sound effect.
Damn, Nico! You're gonna poke somebody's eye out with that thing.
Crazy how it's still working.
All you see is codes of bad shit kicking out.
I'm gonna fall down here.
Yeah, you are. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Ow, motherfucker, hot.
Hey, Dad, I'm recording.
Right. Catch me when you did that.
You suck, bro.
Super light in the front.
Yeah, well.
The wheels on the back are fucking way heavier.
And the wheels on the bus go around the road. That's dog shit, bro. Motherfucker, man. People, come on, bud.
What do you want me to do? It's fucking fast.
Keep it over there in the grass.
Oh no. What? Hold on, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, yes, see that bitch is hot.
Look the drive-through window over there.
Can I go?
No.